Like, oh my god, it's snowing. And even more so. And I can see footprints all over the dang white snow. And it's so beautiful. Hey, what are you doing? Oh, it's not funny. It's not funny. Your mom is funny. Yeah, you call that funny? You call that funny? Now I cannot see. I'm super cold here. This is bullshit. Just be lucky it's not Russia, mates. Look, what are you guys doing? We're enjoying the white January, mate, before the Groundhog's Day. Oh, that's wonderful. Now I'm laying down. I'm not gonna lie, this is crazy. Your mom is... No more mama jokes. And now I am floating. Death. We have to get out of here. It is literally cold. Oh. Hey, what did I miss? Wow. And I'm cold. So guys, how's the blizzard? It was like chilly cold. Yeah, you said it. It's so cold, my brother. Yeah, no comment is right. You almost covered me in white snow. Like I said, mates, good thing it's not Russia. I've never seen snow like this since I was in Brooklyn. Whew, those are the days. You know I was there. Yep, Pauline, you was there. Zippity zap zipple on! Have the TV on! Oh! I did it! I did it! My magic works! Kashif, Kashif, Christoph! Have the TV off! Oh! Lemmy! Douche! Thank you for watching this really special episode short of the T-Man Plush Toonz Shorties. And I hope you guys stay safe in the Carolinas during this snowstorm. Peace out.